We talked about education in the Bentley University. We spoke about South Korea's president deciding to delay crypto taxes. Hello DCN Army and welcome back to today's video. We are Saturday the 7th of May. If you like content like this, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. We also have a Telegram where we share with you crypto market news every single day of the week, including holidays. So definitely join our community. We are Daily Crypto Network. So we have chosen a couple of articles for today's video. Before we jump in further, make sure you take into consideration that this is not financial advice. Any decision you take outside of this video is solely your responsibility. We're only here to share with you the crypto market news every single week, every single day in our Telegram. This is what we're here for, and we also provide a bit of entertainment while we're there as well. So don't take anything too serious. Just have an idea on what is going on in the crypto market. That is what we're here for. We are your crypto outlet. We are on all social media pages. So let's go ahead and jump into today's articles. We're going to begin with South Korea, a big player in the digital assets sector. Of course, they're investing millions and hundreds of millions of dollars to create their own metaverse. They're doing a lot towards the Web3. And so here as well, since recently the new president-elect has always been very pro-crypto, pro-Bitcoin. And look here, he says that they're going to delay crypto taxes in favor of consumer protections. Really, really exciting to have this type of initiative coming from the leader of the nation. Exciting for South Koreans. They basically can trade, hold, buy cryptocurrency without paying any sort of taxes at the moment. This is to create a perfect framework around cryptocurrencies and the most optimal taxes related to income gains or other types of taxes as well between crypto exchanges and businesses, and if they also decide to accept it as a payment method, and if companies decide to incorporate in their balance sheet. A lot is going to have to be taken into consideration, so this is why they prefer to delay the crypto taxes so they can study a bit more about this space and come up with a more attractive solution. So initially they were going to put this in effect in 2022, but it's now been pushed back to 2023. It seems as if like it could even be pushed back further to 2024, and we'll definitely keep you updated with that as well. But the President-elect presidential transition team has been exploring its options in delaying the tax since March. Yoon, who's the new president, has won the election on the grounds that there was insufficient legislation in place to justify levying taxes on digital assets. One of the reasons why he was elected as president. We already covered this in a previous video. Joe Biden has already given the executive order and practically a green light on cryptocurrencies for the federal agencies of United States to study and gather intel on cryptocurrencies. Let's go ahead and move to our next article, where it takes us to United States. We're speaking about education. Check this out. Finance school Bentley University now accepts cryptocurrency payments for tuition. Round of applause for cryptocurrency, and drop a like down below because this is exciting. The private university that's located in Massachusetts has now begun to accept digital currencies for tuition payments. Bentley University's president has explained that the school has been at the forefront of preparing business leaders, and of course that includes the education on blockchain technology. The faculty is proud to embrace the same technology its students are learning about today entirely. So this is very, very empowering as a university to really accept crypto payments, especially because many of the students here have to be talking about cryptocurrencies nonstop every single day. Bentley University partners with Coinbase to do this. So they're going to accept 3 digital currencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum, the king of altcoin, and Bitcoin, the store of value, the first ever cryptocurrency, digital currency to ever exist, and stablecoin USDC, which is backed by Circle and the custodian of USDC's for Circle is very exciting to know as well. We don't want to go too much off topic, but we've shared this in our Telegram, and that will be BlackRock, who will have an investment strategic partnership with Circle. But also there's BNY Mellon, a very traditional bank in the United States that will be the custodian of USDC. Anyways, let's move forward. The Bentley president E. LeBrant Trite explained that the school, founded 105 years ago, is embracing a technology that may shift the traditional financial landscape entirely. Very good words coming from the president of Bentley University. Very exciting here. It says students have a real interest in knowing more about blockchain technology. Of course, as we do know, there are many use cases for blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies is only just one type of use case. So universities all around the world accept cryptocurrencies, including the University of Cumbria in England, the Financial Business School in Paris, and the Innovation and Entrepreneurship Business School in Spain. There's also Lucerne University of Applied Sciences in Switzerland that's accepting cryptocurrencies. So as you can see here, there's more so of a domino effect, but it's also beginning with schools that actually partake in business, innovation, or finance directly, such as Bentley University as well. Very exciting news coming from Massachusetts and this university. More schools will come along and accept cryptocurrency payments, and we'll be here to share that with you. Let's go ahead and jump into the third article of today's video. We are speaking about the #1 cryptocurrency exchange platform, Binance. Their token is BNB. They've committed $500 million to co-invest in Twitter with Mr. Elon Musk. So Binance is among 18 co-investors in Elon Musk's Twitter acquisition, alongside firms like Sequoia Capital Fund, Fidelity Management, and Research Company. Interesting to see a cryptocurrency exchange and company basically get hands on this huge social media platform. The CEO of Binance, Changpeng Zhao, has went to Twitter to actually announce this to the world as well. A small contribution to the cause. Why not? Very funny here. Let's see further. So yeah, this is pretty much what's going on. Binance, a cryptocurrency exchange platform, is integrating with a social media giant like Twitter under a serial entrepreneur as Elon Musk. Very interesting what the future of Twitter will look like. We will be there to share with you as well the latest updates. Let's move forward. Gucci. Yes, we are speaking about the luxurious Italian brand Gucci. The one and only Gucci will begin accepting Bitcoin in some stores. So they've selected a couple stores in the United States that will begin to accept crypto payments. They are not the only luxurious brand to begin accepting cryptocurrency payments. There's also Off-White, founded by Virgil Abloh. Rest in peace to Virgil. But the store will accept various digital currencies such as Bitcoin, BCH, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin. Again, Dogecoin just makes it every single place, man. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, like two meme coins, are just all over the place getting accepted as payment. It's insane. So yeah, they are going to accept cryptocurrency in selective stores in New York, Los Angeles, Miami, Atlanta, and Las Vegas. Other high-end brands, especially as we just said, Off-White has already accepted cryptocurrency as payment. Very exciting, and why not buy your Gucci and some Dogecoin instead of some dollars? Yeah, definitely have a look at this down below. Gucci already entered the metaverse, purchasing virtual land in Decentraland, and also the Sandbox is also going to build a Gucci Vault for Gucci themed NFTs. So they're very interested in the Web3 space, as all major businesses are, and they've already filed trademarks as well, and this continues to grow further. It's exciting news, guys. This is wonderful news coming from a retail store, a famous luxurious brand that is worldwide, but now it's just going to begin accepting crypto payments only in the United States. We'll let you know when that gets adopted in South America, maybe even Europe or Asia. we're going to be speaking about France. So wow, we've talked about a lot of countries here. We went from South Korea to United States, and now we are in France, in Europe, and they've approved Binance, the #1 cryptocurrency exchange, to operate digital asset trading services. Exciting news, guys. Like, while price is dropping, while price has been just out of the ordinary and honestly not the most interesting thing going on in the market, especially as value, you have to look into Daily Crypto Network to find the value in the crypto market right now, and this is where it is. Binance has also received an approval from Dubai, from the United Arab Emirates, and now from France. So basically meaning that they can facilitate digital asset custody, let users buy and sell crypto, and help to exchange digital assets for each other. And this will all be legal since they've received the license. Actually, the CEO of Binance got to Twitter again and basically said, "Vive la France." It was actually at the 2022 Paris Blockchain Week Summit. Binance also has 50 employees already working in France, and they've already actually invested 100 million euros into Station F, which is a startup incubator headquartered in Paris. So they're really moving forward and looking to become a big player, offering many various services and growing the crypto economy. Let's go for our last article of today's video. We appreciate you tuning in to the very end. If you did, you are a certified DCN Army member. Make sure you join our Telegram as well. Coinbase, now on to some awful news, to be fair. Coinbase, one of the #1 cryptocurrency exchange platforms as well, not as big as Binance, but Coinbase is very huge, and they also are a public company in the United States. They've already had their IPO. They've already decided that they will jump into the NFT space, especially from 2020 when NFTs went crazy. So they decided that they were going to compete with other NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea, such as Rarible, and such as also Rakuten, who is pretty much the Amazon of Japan. They look to also create an NFT marketplace. So does eBay, so does many other platforms as well. But look here, they've only gained 150 users in the first day of opening. That's like, honestly, you think that that's so little. That's so little for such a big company, you know? But honestly, the NFT market, the NFT space right now is just way too saturated. You don't know what's working, you don't know what's there to stay. Honestly, some projects are very interesting, especially are projects that have to do with environmental upkeeping, or from various big companies and the way they decide to use NFTs for users. That can be cool, or maybe art pieces entirely, or maybe music, of course. But we will need to wait some time to really figure out what the best use case of an NFT will be and how they will actually be valuable in the future. Right now we are in the beginning, the footsteps. It's a baby, and the baby hasn't even taken footsteps yet. Honestly, NFTs is crawling. Right now it's crawling, and you can see here only 150 users has actually begin trading on the Coinbase NFT. That number might have increased since, or it might have even decreased. Who knows? If people decided to become unactive, you know, we can definitely have a further look at that and let you know exactly what the case would be. But the data appears that it came from Dune, so we would have to go on Dune to find out more. Very exciting. So yeah, it's true, it does not account for the number of people who may have signed up for Coinbase NFT via email and not made a trade yet. Yep. Okay, so around $75,000 of Ethereum has been traded between this amount of people. That's literally less than one price of a Bored Ape Yacht Club, which is an NFT that you can find on OpenSea. And it's incredible because Bored Ape also has, they've also created their own coin. It's called Ape Coin, that's been hyped up. As you do know, if you go on Elon Musk's Twitter right now, you will find practically a bunch of Bored Ape NFTs as his profile picture. But guys, we've practically shared with you all of the interesting articles of this week. It's been very, very interesting, especially in our Telegram. We did not choose all of the best articles in this video, but we do hope that you appreciate the industries that we covered. We talked about education in the Bentley University. We spoke about South Korea's president deciding to delay crypto taxes. We spoke about Binance, who's going to commit $500 million to co-invest in Twitter. We've also spoke about Gucci, who has begun to accept cryptocurrencies as payment in selective stores in the United States. And France has approved Binance to operate digital asset trading services in the nation of France. And the last article that we spoke about was Coinbase NFT marketplace that has launched, just it seems like it hasn't been that successful. We appreciate you guys so much for tuning into today's video. We are your crypto outlet, and we will see you next Wednesday with more news. Have a great weekend and see you soon in our Telegram. Ciao, ciao.